Master data is the backbone of warehouse management in SAP EWM. In this video, we will focus on the different types of master data used in SAP EWM and why they are critical for efficient warehouse operations. Let's start with product master data. Product master data contains essential information about each product, such as dimensions, weight, and handling requirements. This data helps the warehouse management system determine where products should be stored and how they should be handled. For example, heavier or fragile items may require specific storage areas to ensure safety during handling and transportation. Next, we have business partners, which include customers, suppliers, and carriers. Having accurate data for business partners is crucial for managing the flow of goods in and out of the warehouse. This ensures that inbound deliveries are processed correctly from suppliers and that outbound deliveries reach the correct customers. Another key component of master data is packaging materials. Packaging materials refer to the boxes, containers, and pallets used to pack products for storage and shipment. Each type of packaging material has its own requirements depending on the products it is used for. Closely linked to packaging materials are packaging specifications. Packaging specifications define how products should be packed, including the type of packaging used and the packing method. This helps maintain consistency, ensuring that products are packed safely and according to established standards, which minimizes the risk of damage during transportation. Understanding master data is essential for efficient warehouse operations. In our next video, we'll explore how SAP EWM manages resources and how resource management helps optimize warehouse efficiency.